All right, let's talk about some more of the river flooding and how much more we add into this. Just a brief little recap of what I showed you a bit earlier. The Mississinawa, the Whitewater River, the Flat Rock River, those have all crested for the most part. All of that water is now moving downstream. We still have the White River that's at major flood stage for many locations along the White River, although it is crested upstream for Muncie and for Anderson. The Big Blue River, moderate flooding is still expected. And when we talk about the White River, again, we've seen the record crest that happened in Anderson. If you're in Noblesville, we may add another foot on top of what we're already seeing. It's expected to crest within the next 6 to maybe 12 hours or so. 82nd Street, as this moves into the northern side of Indy, expected to crest sometime early morning tomorrow. Unfortunately, this part of the river may crest and then it may go down slowly. It's actually gone down pretty quickly in Anderson and Muncie for the most part, relatively speaking, from those high levels, but it may go down much more slowly over the next couple of days across Indy. There is an excessive rainfall outlook, a level 3 to our north and west. More heavy rain expected there for the rest of the day today, but we're going to look to tomorrow because we could see additional heavy rain, unfortunately, in these locations that don't need more rain. So what are we talking about? Well, let me show you future track. I got to say, it's done a great job of these latest batches of rain that came through. Did a terrible job early in the week. By the end of the week, it got a handle on this pattern, and we know that the next batch will arrive at some point overnight tonight into parts of central Illinois, and then by tomorrow morning, yes, we're talking about more chances for rain, more heavier downpours, although it doesn't have quite the intensity that maybe the last few batches have had, but still areas that don't need more rain are going to see more rain, more heavy downpours, and the possibility of some storms along with that. So just something I want you to keep in mind. We could pick up an additional 1 to maybe 2 inches of rain, especially for some of our northern areas. And of course, that will change just a little bit as we may massage some of the numbers here just a bit. Scattered thunderstorms for the weekend. Chance of thunderstorms as we get into Sunday. Chance of thunderstorms for Monday. Hopefully by Tuesday and Wednesday, we've cooled the temperatures a bit. We've backed off of the rain chances. An isolated thunderstorm chance for Thursday. But if we can just make it through the weekend, I think the significant rain and storm chances are going to diminish. We'll have much more after this break.